In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Do Not Disturb in Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly silence notifications so you can focus without missing anything important later. First, make sure Discord is open on your computer, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Look down to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area, which includes your avatar and a small status indicator. This is where you control how you appear to others and how notifications behave. Click on your profile area to open the status options. You'll notice your current status is usually set to online, shown with a green dot. This menu is your hub for changing how you appear and what types of alerts you receive. From here, look for the option labeled Do Not Disturb. It typically shows a red circle with a horizontal line. Before you click it, hover your cursor over Do Not Disturb. Discord will display options that let you choose how long you want to keep this status active. Pick a duration that matches your focus window, whether you just need a short break or a longer block of quiet time. If you don't choose a duration, Do Not Disturb will simply stay on until you change it back yourself. Go ahead and select Do Not Disturb. That's it. Your status will immediately switch to red, and Discord will silence notifications and sounds on your device. You'll still receive messages, mentions, and calls, but they won't interrupt you with pop-ups or pings while you're busy. Everything will be waiting for you when you return. If you set a timer, Discord will automatically switch you back once it expires. If you need to resume notifications earlier, just head back to the same place, click your profile area, and choose Online again. You can also switch to other statuses from that same menu if you prefer a different level of visibility later. A quick tip: if you rely on multiple devices, remember that your status is tied to your account. When you set Do Not Disturb on your desktop, it carries over to the Discord app where you're signed in, helping keep things consistently quiet. That's all you need to enable Do Not Disturb in Discord. It's a simple change that can make a big difference during meetings, study sessions, or gaming nights when you want to stay focused. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter, more productive time on Discord.